In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable the liquid glass feature here on iOS 26. If you don't like the clear glassy icon effect, don't worry, here's the steps that you can make in order to go ahead and turn it off or at least minimize it. Before we do get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, so just ask down below and don't worry, I got you. But first things first, we're going to start on the home screen. Just long press and hold any app icon or just the home screen. And what you're going to want to do is tap edit on the top left section of the home screen and select customize. Now from here, you need to understand that by default, the clear option applies liquid glass. To disable it, just switch back to the default option, just like so. This is going to remove most of that liquid glass effect right away. But if you're still noticing that glass-like transparency and you want it to reduce further, go ahead and open up settings and then scroll down and go into accessibility. From here, go ahead and find the display and text size option and open it up and turn on reduce transparency and increase contrast. When you do that and you go back, you should notice that those apps have changed significantly and are back to what they used to look like. I also do recommend keeping increased contrast off just because I think it makes it look better overall, especially if you're trying to soften the liquid glass icons. But here's the important part, there's no official way to fully disable this liquid glass look here in iOS 26 and future iOS versions. These steps are more like workarounds to help minimize or reduce the effect. If you really want to disable it, the only option is to report feedback to Apple or stay on earlier iOS versions like iOS 18 where this feature wasn't necessarily included. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.